Hi, my name is Arlo, and me and my mom are going to be reading I Am a Donkey, Story Pictures and Bad Grammar by Cece.
What did you say? I am a donkey? The proper way to say that is, I am a donkey.
You is a donkey too? You is a funny looking donkey.
No, I am a yam. You are the one who said I am a donkey.
You is a donkey? You just said so. Let's hear your hee-haw donkey.
No. You are a donkey. I am a yam.
You is a yam? I am confused because I know I heard you say I am a donkey.
Don't say yam. It's am. Am.
Okay, so what you saying is that you is a donkey, right?
No, I am not a donkey. It's not you is. It's you are. You are.
Sniff. You sure you is a donkey? Because that's not like any hee-haw I've ever heard.
I am not a donkey. I am a yam.
I am confused. First you say I am a donkey. Then you say I am a yam. Hee-haw. Yam, I yam. Yam, I yam. Ding, a ding dong. Whatever. You is silly. you is silly.
I have never said I am in my entire life.
Hee-haw, you just did. So what's is you then?
Oh, good grief. It's not what is you. It's what are you? What are you? What are you? What are you?
Is that your hee-haw? You is the weirdest donkey.
What's going on? Listen, donkey. I am a yam. It's not I am. It's I am. And you are a donkey. It's not you is. It's you are.
Huh? Looks like a big fight about grammar.
Let me explain, donkey. Look here. I am. You are. He is. She is. They are. We are.
Is you trying to tell me that I am not the only donkey here? That you and all of them are other critters? Is donkeys too? I need to get my eyes checked. No, you need to get your mouth checked.
Oh, for Pete's sake, look. I am a yam. You are a donkey. He is a carrot. She is a turnip. They are green beans. Except for you. We are not critters. We are vegetables.
Vegetables. Oh, you is lunch. Chomp.
Moral. If you is going to be eaten, good grammar don't matter.
Hee-haw. There is that silly donkey. I am going to miss him.
Goodbye. Hope you
Bye.
liked this book. Bye
Hope you
bye.
liked it. Bye.